Learn how to successfully create, promote and deliver your own profitable online webinar. Join us on this comprehensive training course where you will learn all you need to know to create, set up, run and profit from your very own online webinars. Have you ever wanted to run your own webinar but just don't know where to start? Would you like to sell products and services from your webinar but you have no idea what works and what doesn't? This intensive training course will give you all the answers. Webinars are now one of the easiest ways to sell your products or services online, but to create, promote and deliver a successful and profitable webinar, you need to follow a number of key stages and steps, all of which will be revealed during this intensive one-day training course. Expert tuition, tutorials and advice on how to set up, create, run and profit from an online webinar. The secret strategies that established and reputable internet marketers are using right now to generate high-end sales from their webinars. How to get people booked onto your webinar. Conducting webinar joint ventures with other entrepreneurs, leveraging traffic sources. Created automated webinars that generate constant and recurring income. To enroll, click the link below.